Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and one reminder is that today is the second Tuesday of May 2026, May the 12th, and that means it is Patch Tuesday, it's Security Update Tuesday. For Windows 10, the updates come in a form of KB5087544, and it updates your Windows 10 version to 19045.7291 on 25H2, 19044.7291 on 24H2. Anything new? Anything special? Well, of course, it's security updates mostly, and that will look in a separate video the exact amount of security updates total for Microsoft products this month. Last month was a whopper of an amazing update month. So we'll see this time around this month if it's as bad or better. One of the things also that it will add is the secure boot check on your security app. So if you actually install the update today and wonder about the secure boot certificates if you are up to date, well, this will give you the information in the Windows Security. You will have the little green mark like on Windows 11 that will tell you if your certificates are good or not. And so that will tell you exactly where you are. And that hopefully is going to be one of the things that's going to be okay. So, yep, that's the way it is. And it is, of course, important to apply. Some will wait. Of course, it's totally understandable that some might take a few days to a week or two to apply and just make sure that everything's all right. And go and get them and update. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.